All right, so this is probably one of the best Jamaican sorrel drink I ever make. Check this out. So basically what I want to do first is I'm going to wash off these sorrel petals. All right. All right, so now we're going to set this sorrel to steep, guys, because we're going to do it overnight. All right, so now we're going to bring in the petals because like I said, we're just going to leave this overnight for it to steep properly. Steeping is actually a slow process, actually extracting all that flavor, color, and everything from the petals, all right? All right, so here's a mixture of the spices that I'm going to be using. I have here some nutmeg, I have here some cloves, I have some pimento, and some cinnamon sticks. And with this, I'm adding a piece of orange peel, and here goes the star for the show, a bunch of ginger. So I've already washed these guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shred these. Now when it comes to the ginger, you can add any amount that you like. I have no specific measurement or anything for this. Alright, so here goes the ginger. Alright guys, so this is what we want. So now we're gonna remove this from the flame. Actually just turn off the flame and we're gonna leave this overnight because this is a process known as steeping. So we're just gonna allow all the flavors and everything to be extracted overnight. Alright. Alright, so that is it for tonight, guys. I'm super tired. I'll catch you guys in the morning, okay? Alright, people, so it's a brand new day, so here goes. So now that everything is cool and dry perfectly, now I'm gonna strain it here. I have the strainer underneath the cheesecloth. I have some cheesecloth here because I want to get rid of all of the particles, especially the ginger. And this is how you know it was steeped properly because all of the petals have sunk into the bottom. All right, and that's what you want. All right, so now I'm gonna sweeten this, guys, and like I said, I'm sweetening to my liking. All right, if you want to put less sugar, you put less. I'm just putting 2 spoonfuls. That should be good enough. Also, I'm gonna add some of my personal touch to it. I have some vanilla here and a little bit of rose water. Nice it up, give it a nice flavor as well. All right, peeps, and now I'm gonna separate this because I want to do two versions. I'm gonna do an alcoholic version and a non-alcoholic version. All right, set this aside. And with that being said, I'm adding two of the most famous things when it comes to sorrel. All right, here for the red label. All right, here goes. Here you have a nice glass, a Jamaican sorrel. See that? Oh my goodness. Mm. Everything just connect. The ginger, the spices, everything. Mm. Mm. That orange skin when we put in it, extract all of that flavor, so you get that citrusy taste as well. Right amount of ginger, guys. Cheers.